discover the must-have tools that elevate precision, speed, and creativity in any workshop. These 20 cool woodworking tools are designed to make your projects smoother, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these innovative picks will help you work smarter, achieve better results, and enjoy every moment in the shop. Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set. The Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set, model 69600000, is an essential three-piece kit for achieving clean, perfectly aligned screw holes when installing wooden deck boards. Its mobile drilling guide ensures straight, consistent spacing, while the adjustable width fits boards from 100 to 145 mm. The pilot drill bit with integrated countersink and depth stop delivers repeatable, professional results every time. Built with durable hardened steel bushings, this set offers accuracy, ease of use, and a polished finish that both experts and DIYers appreciate. Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinder. The Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinders, model 43870000, is a compact high-performance accessory built for rapid wood removal and creative shaping tasks made from durable C45 tool steel. It fits 115mm and 125mm grinders using an M14 thread. Its 3 sharp cutting teeth and extended shaft allow fast, controlled milling in corners, edges, and curved surfaces. Ideal for slotting, chamfering, hollowing, and sculpting. It delivers aggressive cutting power and must be paired with the Wolfcraft dust extraction hood for safe, low-dust operation. Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box is a smart 2-in-1 tool that works as both a bevel gauge and a mitre box, making angle measuring and cutting incredibly simple. It automatically transfers wall angles to the perfect cutting angle, eliminating guesswork. Ideal for skirting and baseboards. Designed for internal and external angles, it works with wood or plastic boards and pairs best with a fine handsaw. Users love its accuracy and ease of use, though some note the plastic components require gentle handling. Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer. The Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer, model 40090000, is a precision hand tool built for creating perfect 35-degree beveled edges on gypsum plasterboards. Designed for 9.5mm and 12.5mm board thicknesses, it uses 3 high-performance trapezium blades to deliver clean, accurate cuts in a single pass. Its ergonomic plastic cradle ensures controlled, safe operation, while replaceable blades support long-term use. Users praise its speed, simplicity, and professional results, though some note challenges finding compatible replacement blades. Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp. The Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp delivers powerful side pressure clamping while keeping your workspace open and unobstructed. Designed to fit standard 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes, it swivels 360 degrees to apply up to 250 pounds of force exactly where you need it. A smooth contoured dial offers quick 4 3/4 inch adjustment, and the low-profile clamp shoe stays below the material surface. Lightweight yet surprisingly strong, it's ideal for assembly, sanding, finishing, and securing awkward or irregular workpieces. Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks offer stable anti-slip support for sanding, routing, finishing, and general assembly tasks. Each hexagon-shaped puck features Grip Max surfaces that keep both the workpiece and the workbench firmly in place. With retractable painting points, they elevate projects cleanly for finishing without smudges. Their 1.5 inch height matches standard 2x4s, adding convenient clearance for clamps and tools. Durable and practical, a set of 4 supports up to 200 pounds, making them ideal for any workshop. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a smart dual-purpose tool designed to speed up joinery by combining drilling and driving into one streamlined process. Its double-ended insert lets you drill a precise pilot hole and counterbore, then instantly flip to a number 2 square drive bit to drive Kreg screws without changing tools, with an adjustable drilling depth, a durable metal build, and a 1/4 inch hex shank compatible with any drill or impact driver. It delivers efficiency, accuracy, and comfort for fast, reliable woodworking joints. Milescraft 1622 Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block. The Milescraft 1622 Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block is a versatile 4-in-1 sanding tool designed for precision on flat, concave, convex, and tight-edge surfaces. Compatible with any standard quarter sheet of sandpaper. It features a patented quick-snap lock system for fast grit changes. Its ergonomic, durable plastic body ensures comfort and control during extended use. With multiple detailed sanding profiles and an included 150 grit sheet, this compact tool is ideal for woodworking, refinishing, and detailed shaping tasks. Milescraft 3404 PushStick. The Milescraft 3404 PushStick is a must-have woodworking safety tool designed to keep hands safely away from spinning blades and bits on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Its extra tall, ergonomically tilted handle enhances safety, while the high traction TPE base prevents slipping and protects workpieces. The rear foot allows precise push-pull control, and its narrow 3/4 inch profile works well with thin stock durable, impact-resistant plastic in bright yellow ensures visibility and long-lasting use. Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid is a versatile measuring and marking tool that streamlines door, window, and decorative trim installation. It eliminates helpers and tape measure guesswork for precise mitre cuts. Features include an adjustable reveal from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, dual tape measure slots with magnets, stick pins for accurate trim length, a 45-degree angled head, and built-in square. Made from durable plastic with a clamp pad, this hand-powered tool requires no batteries, offering reliable, precise performance every time. Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set. The Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set features 4-inch and 6-inch CNC machined aluminum triangles designed for highly accurate woodworking measurements. With a flat shoulder-free design, they allow precise squareness checks in tight spaces. Laser engraved inch scales ensure exact measurements, while plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. Accuracy guarantees precision. Polished and red anodized for durability, the triangles can be used separately or joined with brass knobs. The set includes a wall-mountable MDF case and is proudly made in Strongsville, Ohio, USA. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. The EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set offers precision and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Constructed from industrial-grade high-speed steel, HSS, these bits provide durability, sharp cutting, and smooth chip removal. Woodworking sets include tapered bits, wood plug cutters, depth stop collars, and accessories for clean, flush screw installation in wood, plastic, and PVC metalworking sets. Feature a 5-flute design with black oxide finish for heat resistance and efficient drilling. In steel, aluminum, copper, and fiberglass. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp. The GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp is a compact low-profile clamp designed for 5 16th-inch T-slot tracks on workbenches, drill presses, and CNC tables. Its eccentric cam mechanism quickly secures workpieces by pressing them inward and downward, leaving the top surface unobstructed. Ideal for CNC operations. Made from durable hardened steel with a black finish, it's easy to install and operate. Users praise its strong grip and reliability, though minor adjustments may be needed for non-standard T-tracks. Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set. The Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set, HS/SET/6, is a professional grade kit featuring M42 bimetal hole saws with 8% cobalt teeth for cutting timber, plastics, metals, and plasterboard. With a variable pitch tooth design, angled ejection slots, and ejection springs, it ensures smooth, fast cutting and easy plug removal. The set includes 6 saws, 16 to 51 mm, 2 arbors with HSS pilot drills, and a heavy-duty storage case, making it ideal for any electrician's drill-based tasks. Infinity Tools Sleeveless Sanding Drums. The Infinity Tools Sleeveless sanding drums revolutionize sanding by allowing any standard sheet sandpaper to be used, eliminating costly proprietary sleeves. Featuring a flexible internal locking mechanism, the drums secure paper tightly for a smooth, consistent finish. Made of durable plastic with a high traction TPR coating, they reduce runout for precise sanding. Compatible with drill presses and handheld drills, these versatile drums handle holes, curves, and edges efficiently. Users love their cost savings, reliability, and superior performance. GRIZZLY Dasqua T33585. The GRIZZLY Dasqua T33585 is a 6-inch, 150mm digital dial caliper, offering precision, durability, and modern features. It combines a traditional dial with a high-contrast OLED display, providing measurements in inches, millimeters, and fractions. With plus or minus 0.001 inch accuracy, IP67 water and dust resistance, and hardened stainless steel surfaces, is built for demanding environments. Bluetooth connectivity and a rechargeable battery enhance usability, while intuitive functions like Hold, INC, and 2OL make it ideal for mechanics, engineers, and hobbyists. Jerliflyer Double Edge Trimmer. The Jerliflyer Double Edge Trimmer is a handheld woodworking tool designed to trim both sides of edge, banding in a single pass, delivering smooth, flush finishes on wood, PVC, melamine, and plywood. Its durable high-carbon steel blades and ergonomic body make trimming efficient and comfortable. Suitable for edge banding 15 to 40 mm wide and 0.3 to 0.6 millimeters thick. It often includes replacement blades. Users praise its speed, precision, and ease of use, making it a must-have for furniture and cabinet projects. Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw. The Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw KD03F is a portable manual tool designed for precise cutting of insulation materials with minimal debris. Its sharp, wave-shaped alloy blade, HRC50-55, ensures efficient cuts, while the foldable design and safety lock provide secure, compact storage. The ergonomic ABS plus TPU handle offers a non-slip, comfortable grip for prolonged use. Ideal for wood fiberboards, mineral wool, fiberglass, and styrofoam. It comes in 10-inch and 16.5-inch blade versions. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a high-performance milling disc crafted in Germany for use with 115mm and 125mm angle grinders. Made from CNC milled, high-strength aluminum, it features durable, replaceable carbide cutting inserts for efficient carving and surfacing of wood and wood-based materials. The disc includes a chip thickness limiter for safer operation and is rated up to 14,500 RPM. Lightweight yet robust, it delivers precision, long-lasting performance, and reliable results for professional woodworking projects. TSO 20mm Chamfer Dogs. The TSO 20mm Chamfer Dogs are precision machine bench dogs designed for 20mm hole pattern worktops like Festool MFT/3 or CNC routed tables. Their chamfered design makes them self-centering and self-squaring for highly accurate layout and cutting. Sitting flush below the work surface, they allow unobstructed placement of workpieces made from durable aluminum. They come in small, stubby, medium, and tall sizes, with close fit and standard fit options, and include threaded holes for clamping with M8 speed knobs for secure work holding.